You shouldn't have went. He said, it was all right. You do that. Because he was white. All right, well, you would have been hanged by now. He wouldn't even give you a trial. Your black ass gonna get hanged. And they drink, so what? Now I'm gonna say something right now. Just like a dog and a cat, a bird and a bee. If you horny, you horny. Well, look, I get horny now. I'm horny now. If I feel hot in my ass now, somebody gotta come. If a dog and a cat and a bee or a rat or whatever get horny, so, you know, what's the deal here? This guy gave me $1. I got a joint in my pocket. I'm gonna get off at Nostrum Avenue and smoke that joint and drink that beer.
YOLO.
I don't give a well, whatever. I ain't gonna, because there's women on this train.
Amen.
If I get hot tonight, I know where to go. Now we're fed up. Shut up. The person that told me to shut up, they gonna be horny tonight. Oh yeah, they tell you to shut up, but you the first one to get horny. Yeah, well, I understand how you feel. You say that after 10 o'clock. I got a summons for something I didn't do. Yeah. I bet you one thing, whoever told me to shut up, they're gonna get horny. Nah. That's a trick. That ain't nothing but a trick. What you want? You want a medal? You want a medal for that? I don't want a medal. But what you just said, do you want a medal? No, what you just said, tell me to shut up. Do you want a medal? Do you want a medal? Oh no, I don't want one. Well then I'll tell you something, you be quiet. You know, you talk like a lesbian. Okay, are you a lesbian admitted? How can a man be a lesbian? Okay, you don't know whether you should shut your mouth.
You should shut your mouth.
Well, I wasn't talking to you. Okay, why don't you get the fuck off the train? Okay, I done went to 1,000 women. You ain't nothing new. I know how you look. All I can tell you is that you know what you can suck. Shut up. You trying to make an album. I wasn't talking.
Bang. Shut up.
Yeah, shut up.
Bang.
Yeah. So what you gonna do about the rest of the world?
I will let them talk.
Well, Bill Clinton had another affair. I bet you your boyfriend had another affair too.
I bet you he
Yes, he is. So what you gonna do about it?
break up. Duh.
Oh, you ain't breaking up. You love that dick.
Now get the fuck out of
He said, you ain't breaking up.